So let's get the Rode Wireless Pro unboxed. Okay, this is looking very nice. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have a nice big case here. So this must be 2 transmitters and a receiver. I'm not sure which one's which, and this clearly is a charging case. And here, this seems to be accessories. So we've got clips here, 2 clips. We've got yet more USB cables. So we've got a USB-C to Lightning, and we've got a USB-C to USB-C. Here we have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm. And if we lift this up, looks like we've got some lavaliers in here. We've got a cleaning cloth, the fantastic Rode desiccant, some little bits and pieces which I'm not sure what they are at the moment, and we've got 2 lav mics here. So this is one of the lav mics, and this is the connector for it, and here is the other lav mic and connector. And here at the bottom we've got a variety of different dead cats. Excellent.